Moving on to the next awardee in the same category, Dr. Girish Momaya. Congratulations. He is a director at Stitching Maharishi European Research University. It's Maharishi Ayurveda, Europe. And also, he's an international Maharishi training, is basically covers the aspects of Vedic science. His work is grounded in teachings of Maharishi Mahesh Yoga and the founder of the Transcendent Meditation Program. Congratulations, sir.
Great joy and honor to receive this prestigious award from Health 2.0. I would like to congratulate, I would like to appreciate the insight and innovation of 2.0 conference organizers who have brought this expertise from world over in various fields and to bring out this knowledge and practices to pave the way for the world to be better, for human life to be healthier, happier, successful, fulfilling. It's a great honor to be connected. I dedicate this honor, this award to my teacher, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, who has brought to the world this simple, innocent, effortless, natural technique, profound technique of transcendental meditation, and also who revived Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of Vedic medicine, to its full, brought that knowledge that prevention is the really basis of healthcare, that with that knowledge of prevention in Ayurveda, we can live life free of disease. He gave the theme to create a disease-free society, and such profound knowledge, so dedicate this honor to him. And finally, great thanks to the whole team of Health 2.0 for their dedication, their joyful contribution here to make every one of us comfortable and take care of our needs, and let the things happen in a very smooth way. Thank you to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir.
My name is Girish Momaya. I am director at Maharishi Ayurveda Europe BV, and also director at Maharishi European Research University. My field is in Vedic sciences, including Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of Vedic medicine, and also transcendental meditation. The word ritual, there is a word in Ayurveda, a complete subject called Swasthavritta. Routines that promote health, protect our health. And these are lifestyle approaches that are profound, simple to inculcate, but effect is very profound. And about question of what is my experience, so first exposure to a routine that I had was transcendental meditation. It is, I learned it when I was a student in engineering, and very simple 15-20 minutes twice a day ritual. a profound experience and profound effect. Experience was, and it's universal, everybody who has gone through this simple meditation technique, is that minds from gross active level, how to bring it systematically, easily, effortlessly to finer, more quieter, more silent levels, to the level which is pure consciousness or pure self, where it is silent, integrated, aware within itself, calm, collected, and so many researches have been done that quality of awareness, quality of silence, quality of great deep rest that body gets is very transformative. Transformative in our mind, psychology, functioning, at the same time on the physiological level. So these two changes that I saw were immense, that things started to be very different. My issues, problems were just dissolved. It's like putting on a light in the darkness, and you know, you are not fighting with your problems, you are not fighting with the darkness, suddenly the light comes. And the transformation is just happiness, joy, and those problems that were affecting were no more affecting. So just, it's one of the ritual or routines that is also in Ayurveda, and that's very, really transformative. Thank you.
Thank you.